Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on DREAME L20 ULTRA. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of our robot. Inside, scroll down and look for the robot management. Here we can find Do Not Disturb mode, then enable or disable it with that switch. You can also customize the settings for a time when the Do Not Disturb modes start and ends. And here's the preset time, and we can change the starting time and also the ending time. We can also click on the plus button and do the same thing, so just add the DND time to the mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.